A leaked memo has sent shockwaves across America, revealing potential cuts and changes to Social Security. This memo suggests that the Social Security Administration is facing significant budget cuts. These cuts could impact millions of Americans who rely on Social Security benefits. The news comes at a time when many Americans are already struggling with the rising cost of living. The leaked memo has sparked fear and uncertainty among retirees, disabled individuals, and those approaching retirement age. Many are left wondering how these potential changes will affect their financial security. The memo has also ignited a political firestorm with Democrats and Republicans clashing over the future of Social Security. As the nation grapples with the implications of this leaked memo, one thing is clear. The stakes are high, and the outcome will have a profound impact on the lives of millions of Americans. The leaked memo reveals that the Social Security Administration is facing significant budget cuts. These cuts are impacting the SSA's ability to serve the American people. Staffing levels are at a 25-year low, with only 50,000 employees. This shortage is leading to longer wait times for services. The budget cuts are also forcing the closure of field offices across the country. The cuts to the Social Security Administration are already having a real and devastating impact on the lives of millions of Americans. For retirees, these cuts mean longer waits for benefits, reduced access to services, and increased difficulty in resolving issues with their Social Security payments. The delays caused by staffing shortages and field office closures mean that retirees may experience interruptions in their monthly income, making it difficult to pay bills and cover essential expenses. Disabled Americans who rely on Social Security, disability insurance, and supplemental security income are facing similar challenges. The backlog in processing applications and appeals means that disabled individuals are waiting longer for the financial assistance they desperately need. This can lead to financial hardship, forcing them to make difficult choices between paying for food, housing, or medical care. Potential Social Security cuts cast uncertainty over millions of Americans. Retirees fear reduced benefits and higher retirement age. Even small reductions impact their ability to make ends meet. Disabled Americans face a more precarious situation. Cuts to SSDI and SSI could force them into poverty. The uncertainty causes widespread fear and anxiety. Many wonder if the social safety net will be there when needed. The leaked memo has ignited a firestorm of controversy, sparking public outrage and fueling political disputes across the country. Town hall meetings held by Republican lawmakers have been met with angry constituents demanding answers about the potential cuts to Social Security. Representative Bill Huizenga of Michigan faced a barrage of questions about Social Security at a recent town hall, with nearly 70% of the inquiries focused on the issue. Similarly, Representative Chuck Edwards of North Carolina faced heated protests in Asheville, with constituents expressing their anger and frustration over the proposed cuts. The public outcry has forced lawmakers to confront the issue head-on, with Democrats and Republicans clashing over the future of Social Security. Democrats have accused Republicans of attempting to dismantle Social Security, a program that has provided a vital safety net for generations of Americans. Republicans, in turn, have defended their actions, arguing that reforms are necessary to ensure the long-term solvency of the program. Controversial statements by prominent figures are inflaming the Social Security debate. Elon Musk called Social Security a Ponzi scheme, sparking outrage. His comments were condemned by senior groups and advocates. Stephen Moore also suggested Social Security is unsustainable. These statements have created fear and uncertainty. The Republican Study Committee proposes raising the retirement age and cutting benefits. These proposals face fierce opposition from Democrats and advocacy groups. The leaked memo, the proposed cuts, and the controversial statements surrounding Social Security should serve as a wake-up call for all Americans. The future of this vital program, a program that has lifted millions out of poverty and provided a safety net for generations, is at stake. It is imperative that we, the American people, make our voices heard and demand that our elected officials protect Social Security. Contact your representatives in Congress and urge them to oppose any cuts to Social Security. Attend town hall meetings and make your voice heard. Support organizations that are fighting to protect Social Security and the rights of retirees and disabled Americans. The fight to protect Social Security is a fight for the soul of our nation. It is a fight for the values of compassion, fairness, and social responsibility. Let us stand together and ensure that Social Security remains a beacon of hope and security for generations to come. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment to support our channel.